We've covered many different hubs and docks on the channel, although if you're after something more portable and with a few extra tricks up its sleeve, then this could be ideal, the Yottamaster docking station. With the lack of ports on most modern notebooks, an external hub becomes a very useful accessory, and this one by Yottamaster kills two birds with one stone. Considering it's more than just a dock for attaching peripherals, it's an external storage device too, packaged within a handy carry case, which is something you don't see with most other docks and hubs. We find the docking station itself. With an aluminum alloy and ABS plastic construction, the unit is lightweight yet carries a nice sleek design that's pretty solid too, no complaints there. Across the front of the screen then we have the SD and micro SD card slots, two USB 3 ports, one operating at 5 and the other at 10 gigabits per second speeds, along with a Type-C port also offering full 10 gigabits per second speeds. Finishing off the front side is a small status LED. Around the back then is a single gigabit Ethernet port, a HDMI port capable of providing a 4K output at 60Hz, another 5 gigabits per second USB 3 port, and a pair of Type-C ports, one for connecting to the host device and the second for connecting to a power source, since the unit can pass 100 watts of power through to the host device, charging your laptop as you work. So it's already a pretty well stocked device carrying a whole bank of useful ports. What's even more useful though is the fact that the dock doubles up as an external enclosure for a single NVMe based SSD drive. Thanks to built-in magnets, we have a completely tool-free design too. Simply pull off the top lid to reveal the NVMe connection port, complete with various holes for inserting an included plastic plug, keeping the SSD firmly in place. In fact, you'll also find a heatsink enclosure in the package too, perfect for wrapping around the SSD and helping to dissipate heat. So with the SSD installed and secured into place, the top lid magnetically reattaches. It's as easy as that. There are no issues when it came to performance either. The docking station works as expected, perfectly well in fact, providing access to all your external drives and peripherals as normal. No issues there at all. The installed SSD works well too, with rather impressive speeds in fact, taking the interface pretty much to its limits, so you'll find it hard to achieve any higher speeds from this interface. And throughout use I've had no issues at all, it just works and works reliably well. So in essence, there's little to fault with this unit, a nice well thought out package complete with a handy hardshell carry case, and a stylish, sleek yet portable docking station complete with a built-in SSD enclosure, meaning it can be used on the go for accessing and storing your data as well as various other peripherals at the same time. If you're looking for an inexpensive way of achieving both tasks, then the Yottamaster docking station with M.2 SSD enclosure is certainly worth a look.